Hey friends, on today's video, we're looking at two styles of coolers and talking about which one is going to work best for you. Now we've got this Igloo cooler over here. This is one of your typical block coolers. This thing is a rock star. You put stuff in here, you seal it up, and it will stay cold for days. So that is the main benefit of getting one of these larger block coolers. Tons of insulation. It works really well for multiple day adventures. The Yeti bag, obviously, color scheme is incredible. Yeti products we really love. They're engineered really well, but we found that this style of bag only works good really for a day trip. If you try to do it overnight, our ice blocks tend to melt. It's just not as well insulated. One other benefit of this obviously is space saving. You can usually stick this in between seats and in areas where a large block cooler just won't fit. So again, day trips, definitely go for one of these Yeti cooler bags. They're amazing. If you need something that's going to last multiple days, maybe a camping trip or a long road trip, this Igloo cooler, huge thumbs up. Hope that helps make your buying decision just a little bit easier.